In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. First thing you need to do is go to Shopify and click on this settings button in bottom left corner. Then from here, click on domains. And from here, click on connect existing. So click on it, and then here you need to paste your GoDaddy domain. So go to GoDaddy and copy your domain and paste it here. Then click next. Domain added to your store. Now what we can do is connect it automatically or manually. So I'm gonna firstly choose connect automatically. This will show this pop-up window where, as you can see, connect to checkmark and change your domain. So this will change your DNS records automatically. So you can click on show DNS records. So those are the records, this A name and CNAME. So click on connect. And if this doesn't work, this automatic connection, then choose manual setup. And from here, what you need to do is update your DNS record. So those are your current values and you need to update them to those. So how you can do this, go to GoDaddy and from here click on DNS. Then from here you need to remove all existing records. So you need to remove this A and CNAME record. So click on this trash icon. Yes, confirm. Then also this CNAME record. Once you have that, you can click on add a new record. And here you need to paste the values from the Shopify. So the type is A, this is name, and this is the address. So I'm gonna copy the address. And firstly, we can add the A record. So A, then this was name, and paste the address and click save. Updating, so your DNS record has been updated successfully. Now we need to add the second one. So go back to Shopify, and the second one is CNAME, www, and this is address. So copy the address, choose CNAME as type and type www and paste the value, then click save. Your DNS record updated successfully. So now you can go back to Shopify and click on I updated DNS records. This will check your records. So as you can see, DNS records are pointing to Shopify. So this could take it's showing me estimated 5 minutes. So we need to wait. And as you can see, once the security check is done, it will show you it's connected. So this is how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.